हम बोलेंगे भारत माता, भारत माता जय, भारत माता जय, भारत माता जय। बस
BJP West Kharsa District Committee celebration the 4th day of the BJP Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya BJP have carried the party 47 years since 1980, 1981. Oh, yeah.